Halitosis. Break down the word halitosis.
I don't know what the hell.
All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty. Hey guys, this is Rachid from the future. We had some technical difficulties with our microphone this week, so we had to record audio using my cell phone. I apologize for this, and we will make sure to have the microphone on all future episodes. We are here today on the world-famous, iconic Santa Monica Pier. I'm gonna run around asking people some health-related questions, and we'll see if we end up handing out some money. Ma'am, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Kelly and I'm from Windsor, Ontario, Canada.
My name is Fatima from Toronto.
Yuri and Dryshuk.
Where are you from?
Elena.
My name is Reem and I'm also from Toronto.
My name is Stephanie. I'm originally from Windsor, Ontario, Canada as well.
So you guys kind of feel a connection with you two.
Aww.
Feeling smart today?
Of course, all the time, all the time.
I'm gonna start you off with an easy one.
Okay.
Women's blank are faster than men's.
Oh dear. Can I get a phone call?
Is it A, heartbeats, B, hair growth, or C, breathing rate?
Breathing rate.
Right?
I think the first one. I think heartbeat.
Heartbeat? Your rates per minute?
Or is it heartbeat? Because we're always like cheesed, right? Like, just men cheese us. So
They piss us off.
yeah.
It's
no,
Canadian slang,
Canadian
sorry.
slang?
I don't know. You want to say heartbeat?
Yeah, let's go with that. Heartbeat.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
You know what? I'm just gonna go with heartbeat.
I'm gonna give it to you. It's heartbeat.
I'm telling you, because my blood pressure every time they talk, it just goes up, and then my heartbeat just.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, good job!
My guy, close.
Oh.
And it's heart rate. It's heart.
Man,
heartbeats.
I want to say this, man.
So similar. Really,
was-
heartbeats. Just because women's hearts are generally smaller, so they gotta
Yeah.
beat faster to get the same amount of blood. Feeling confident? Feeling good?
I mean, she does not.
All right. Where is your patella bone located?
Telebone?
Patella.
Your patella. Is it in your shoulder, in your neck, or in your knee?
I think it's in your knee.
Think so?
I think so.
You sound pretty confident.
Shoulder.
There was that Hannah Montana episode, and then they did that stupid bone dance. Me too.
I think it's the knee.
The patella?
Yeah.
I think it's the knee.
I think it's the knee.
Ding, ding, ding. Yeah! See, knee. You're right. Ding, ding, ding.
I went for two again. Oh my
We're two.
God.
Close, my guy.
Man.
It's the knee, man. It's actually the kneecap.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys are 2 for 2, man. This is for all the marbles. About 25% of the U.S. population suffers from halitosis.
Oh,
What is halitosis? Is it A, nearsightedness, B, bad breath, or C, gum disease?
Gum disease.
Halitosis. Break down the word halitosis.
I don't know what the hell.
In terms of like what the questions are for and what they're promoting, I feel like it's like gum disease because you can prevent that by doing other things, right?
Or bad breath, though.
I feel like it would be.
Because people don't be brushing their teeth, so.
Do you guys brush your teeth? Not you, I know. You guys population.
There's a name to it. That sounds like.
Gum disease called gingivitis, though.
Oh. Is it?
We can't keep on waiting.
I'm leaning more towards gum disease.
Okay, let's just do gum disease.
All right,
it's
call
fine.
us.
It's fine. I'm done.
Yeah,
it is
whatever.
what it is.
So close! Oh,
How is it?
it's bad breath.
Oh, damn it!
Close again, my guy.
Man.
It's bad breath.
You want to do bad breath?
Yeah, let's do it.
Bang! That's it. That's correct.
Gingivitis, you're so smart.
Now, like when someone comes up to you speaking fire breath, you just, oh man, get out of here with that halitosis. Our second all-time winners.
Thank you.
Yes.
This is only like $17 in Canada.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Damn exchange rates. Canadians,
you.
man.
I'm Reem,
I'm Fatima.
and we just did the Street Smart Challenge.
Shout out to Dherbs.
Okay, go
All right, my
ahead.
name is Stephanie,
And I'm Kelly
and we just won the Street Smart Challenge
from
for
Dherbs. Woo!
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with how many questions you got right or any questions you'd like to see me ask. Tune in again next week for another episode of Street Smart with Rachid.